Hello, today we are looking at fair share division word problems. If you need more help with this, you can always go to the 3.1 video because these are both the same concept. Starting with our first word problem, we have Anahi's family is having a taco lasagna dinner. There are 3 small pans of taco lasagna and 7 people in her family. If each person gets an equal portion, how much taco lasagna will each person get? So first, let's mark how much lasagna we have. We have 3 pans of taco lasagna, and we have 7 people in her family. That's very important. So from here, all we need to do is we need to ask ourselves, are we splitting up the lasagna and giving it to the people in her family, or are we taking the people in her family and giving it to the lasagna? There's a clear answer, obvious answer, so we are obviously taking the 3 small pans of lasagna and we are dividing it or sharing it between the 7 family members. Now 3 divided by 7 is our number model, and our answer, another way to write 3 divided by 7 would be 3/7. 3/7 would be our answer to this problem. So it's 3/7 of a pan. So each family member would get 3/7 of a pan. Now move on to our next problem. Here we have Coach O'Brien bought 3 large containers of a sports drink for his team. Now he needs to split them into 8 drink bottles. How much of the sports drink will each bottle hold? So again, we need to ask ourselves, what are we sharing here? We are sharing the 3 large containers of the sports drink into 8 drink bottles. And much like the problem before, when we have our division problem, we can turn that into a fraction, which is 3/8. And we just put our label in there. It's 3/8 of a container. Mrs. O'Brien was making Halloween costumes. She had 6 yards of fur fabric. She needed to make 2 skunk costumes. How many yards of fur can she use for each costume? So again, we are taking the fabric that she has, which that number would be 6. And we are making 2 costumes, so we need to split it evenly between 2 costumes. So we get 6 divided by 2, which is 6/2. Now wait a second, don't turn your brains off just yet. 6 divided by 2, we can say, is 3. And then we need our label, 3 yards of fabric. And Mrs. Wagner ordered pizzas for her students. She ordered 9 pizzas for her 51 students. If each student gets the same amount, how much pizza will each student get? So let's see here. Are we splitting up the pizza among the students, or are we giving the students to the pizza? Obviously, we'll be giving the pizza, which is 9, to the students, which there are 51. We have our division problem. We can write that in as a fraction. And each student will get 9/51 of a pizza. Good luck cutting those slices, Mrs. Wagner. I hope this helps.